right, we're making beignets today with Chef Anthony Fisher, and we've got a couple of them in the fryer oil right now, a few of them already out of the fryer oil.
So we just cut the oddball shapes out of our dough.
If you're trying to heat this up to a certain temperature, what's your goal?
I aim for about 350 degrees. It's real simple, it's a nice cooking temperature, I can cook them relatively quickly, and it activates the yeast for just a few seconds so that they poof up real nice, and then they're ready to go.
And those look perfect.
Oh yes, don't those look gorgeous? And then you want to make sure that you don't put them straight onto your plate.
Yeah.
So,
Well, they're going to be covered in grease, so.
Exactly. And I always set them onto a towel or a cooling rack just off to the side. Doesn't take real long, just give it a chance for the oil to come out of them.
Okay, so after you've got them out of the fryer oil, that comes the fun part where you get to sweeten them up.
Yes, everybody likes the sweetening up part. And we're going to pull these real fast, and then we're going to sweeten these. And as you saw, they cook real easy. So I have some powdered sugar, and I'm going to run it through my sifter here.
Okay.
And then you just let it snow.
Aw, on your fruit and everything.
Yes, the fruit adds a nice little flavor change. So after you've eaten one or two of them, you take a bite of the fruit. And you can put as much or as little powdered sugar as you want on these. I found that some of my students like a whole lot of sugar. But if you've ever been to New Orleans and you've been to Cafe Du Monde, they throw a scoop of powdered sugar in the bag, they throw 5 or 6 beignets in there, they throw a scoop of powdered sugar on the top of it, fold it shut, and hand you the bag.
Oh, a little shake and bake there.
So yeah, and they're just drenched in them. So please, help yourself, try one, let me know what you think.
I don't know which ones were most recently cooked, so they're gonna be hot.
A little bit.
They were all recently cooked. Okay, as I try these, ooh. Hey, how did your fundraiser go?
Wonderful. We had a great event. We raised about $1,600.
That's really
So
cool.
that's really good for the students. And Anna called me while we were on break, and she said to remind everybody that SpongeBob the Musical starts today at the high school at 7 p.m. She hopes to see as many people there as she possibly can. And the rest of my club students are excited to see people come out for the show. And we have, well, we have a spaghetti dinner coming up in May.
Okay.
So we have lots of activities getting ready to start, and we're getting excited.
Okay. So we're going to be on a little break from you next week, unfortunately.
Yes, with spring break.
Yeah.
I'm taking a little bit of time to get things going. Plus, we're catering an event for Kansas Works to show a new summer internship program for our area for 16-year-olds and 17-year-olds to get some work experience.
These are delicious.
Well, good. I'm glad you like that.
So we just use your regular dough.
Regular
that
dough.
you make all the time, and just add the powdered sugar to it afterwards.
Yep.
Super easy.
Super easy, easy peasy, and it's flavorful, it's tasteful, and it shows the versatility of a really good dough. I mean, we've done breads, we've done pizzas, we've done all sorts of stuff with it already. So, and my students made pretzels yesterday.
Really?
With this.
I bet those were good.
They were really good.
And then no sugar, you add salt to that.
Yes. So, it's a versatile opportunity, and learning the basics is all you need to do.
Okay. Okay, so when you come back, I think we're going to delve into a Lenten recipe, possibly?
I'm thinking whole fish.
Ooh, that sounds good. This fryer oil is making my eyes start to water right here. It's really hot. It's burning up.
So, well, I hope everybody has a happy and wonderful spring break. Enjoy the time. I know Joplin doesn't start till the week after us, but for all those who are in our area, please be safe.
I'm going to enjoy these as we go to break. And you can find these segments on our website later this morning, KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be right back.